Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Honda Accord. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a ball joint press, torque wrench, and sturdy jack stands. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on a level surface. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. This process requires careful attention to detail to ensure proper installation and vehicle safety. Once your vehicle is secure, begin by removing the wheel and then the brake caliper assembly, carefully hanging it to avoid stressing the brake line. Next, you'll need to separate the old ball joint from the steering knuckle. A specialized ball joint separator tool is highly recommended for this step to prevent damage to surrounding suspension components. Be prepared for some resistance, as these parts can be quite stubborn after years of use. With the old ball joint removed, thoroughly clean the knuckle bore to ensure a smooth installation for the new part. Apply a thin layer of grease to the new ball joint's housing before carefully pressing it into position using your ball joint press and the appropriate adapters. Once seated, reassemble the steering knuckle and brake components. Finally, torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's exact specifications for safety and proper function. After everything is reassembled, perform a thorough visual inspection to confirm all components are correctly installed and secured. It's crucial to get a professional wheel alignment immediately after replacing ball joints to ensure proper steering, tire wear, and overall vehicle handling. This small step prevents future issues and keeps your ride smooth. Also, for those looking for quality gear, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.